detox? What is it? And why does it matter? We hear the word detox everywhere. What the heck is detox? So this is the beginner's guide to what detoxification is and why we hear it all the time, why it really matters. Our bodies can be exposed to toxic material in the environment and in what we eat and drink and put into our bodies by choice. And so we need to detoxify that out so that we stay clean on the inside. We want to stay clean on the inside to stay healthy and active, revitalized, beautiful and handsome, loving. There's lots of reasons to be clean on the inside. There's no better way to relate to you this concept than with a game show. So let's go. The first category is environmental toxins you are blasted with. Question: which of the following are environmental toxins? Plastics, glyphosate, heavy metals, your mother-in-law? The answer is all of the above. We are bombarded by environmental toxins like no other generation in history. We've got plastics proliferating the air, the waterways, everywhere. We touch it. It's everything made of plastic. Our clothes are even made of plastic if you wear polyester or nylon. So we have to be careful. This introduces toxicity into our bodies. It's from the environment. Microplastics can get into our bloodstream and up to our brain even. And take a look at the labels on your clothing because polyester, nylon, and acrylic are all plastic. And when you wear these things on your body and then say you get hot or you're working out, that literally goes into your body through your skin. Glyphosate is an herbicide that is sprayed all over wheat crops in America. So if you're consuming wheat products like breads or other things that have wheat as the ingredient and it's not organic, then you're consuming the wheat that has been sprayed by this herbicide. So this herbicide will definitely increase your toxic load. And heavy metals, those can be in aluminum cookware, aluminum cans, they can be in cosmetics, they can be in our seafood because of the ocean pollution. So you could be increasing your toxic load through these things without even knowing it. As for your mother-in-law, I don't know that I can help you much there. There's so many other toxins too that we willingly expose ourselves to. It's crazy. Next category. This category is dietary toxins that are a buffet of regret. Which of the following are dietary toxins? Alcohol, caffeine, processed foods, pesticides, canola oil, that gas station hot dog. And the answer is all of the above. Now, these dietary toxins are things that we have complete control over. We actually have the choice whether or not to eat the gas station nachos. Gross. But hey, it's a choice. We have the choice whether or not we want to eat the junk food or the cookies or the breads. We have the choice whether we're going to go through that drive-through window for lunch or dinner. These are all toxic foods. This is not a popular opinion, but it is the truth, and I am dedicated to telling you the truth. You have the complete ability and the complete choice to minimize your toxic load by completely minimizing, if not altogether, taking out these toxins that come from our food supply. Junk food, fast food, even caffeine, alcohol, all this stuff creates toxins within the body. Moving on to our final category, lifestyle toxins you pay for to slowly kill you. Which of the following are lifestyle toxins? Cosmetics, mold, cleaning products, air fresheners, that perfume or cologne cloud that walks into the room 5 minutes before your teenager does. And the answer is all of the above. Another category that we have complete control over, lifestyle toxins. We don't have to use the perfumes and the colognes and the air fresheners. In fact, if these things are marketed to you and at you, they're probably not good for you. Check out my video on this. I totally explained how all of this is true. If it's marketed at you constantly, it's probably not good for your health. Now, as far as cosmetics go, cosmetics can be incredibly toxic. It's important to try to look for natural cosmetics, things that have little to no chemicals in them at all. We have control. We have control over these lifestyle toxins, and it's really hard to believe, but people are paying for their own poisoning through toxic candles and air fresheners that you plug into the wall, cleaning products that are marketed to you as being the best cleaning products ever, whether it's washing your window or washing your clothes or washing your dishes. If it's marketed to you, it's probably not good for you. Now, the cool thing is that our body is always doing this for us. Like, we don't even have to actively do it. I mean, we do, and I'll tell you why. But our body is always doing it anyway. The body has 5 main detoxification pathways. And these pathways include breathing. We breathe out. When we exhale, we are exhaling waste from the body. It's a waste removal system. 2, urination and defecation. Yes, going number 1 and going number 2 helps the body release the waste. The body's ready to release the waste. You go to the bathroom. The skin. When we sweat out toxins. So it's important to sweat every day if you can. Like, I do not sweat every day, I will admit that, but I need to. We all need to. Number 5 is the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the sewage system of the body, and there's no pump for it, so we need to be active in order to activate it. This is why it's so dangerous to sit. I'm sitting right now. Oh my gosh. You stay healthy when the amount of waste going into the body is equal to the amount of waste leaving the body. That way, there's no buildup of waste or toxicity within the system. This is how you stay healthy. The body is always working so hard to make sure that the amount of waste in the body is kept at a minimum. I always say that the way to be healthy and the way to slow down aging is to make every process as easy as possible for the body. And this includes the detoxification pathways. So making sure you're going to the bathroom like many times a day. Make sure you're going number 2 at least once or twice, at least. And then sweating and making sure you're taking deep breaths and exhaling, because that exhale is important too to get rid of the waste. So these things all help the body along. They make it easier on the body to detoxify. To summarize, waste coming in must be less than or equal to the waste coming out. This is what keeps us healthy. This is the natural process of detoxification. But how do we know how much waste is coming into our body? Now, the way to know that is to be conscious of your waste consumption. Minimizing your exposure to toxicity is a great first step in getting well and staying well. Now, when people say they're going on a detox or they're going to do a cleanse, what they really mean is that they are going to up-level their body's own detoxification process. Like the kids say these days, they're giving their detox process a glow up. This is done by eating very clean foods or drinking organic juices over the course of a set period of time. Like no junk food, no fast food or restaurant food. And they are usually drinking a lot of water during this time, and they're usually exercising. So this is what a typical detox or a cleanse is. They're just trying to maximize the body's system of detoxification that's already going on. Now, some people will go on what's called a juice cleanse or a juice detox, and that basically means they have a juicer and they have fruits and vegetables that they run through the juicer to make juice with, and that is all they consume for a period of time. And what this does is it not only brings in fresh fruits and vegetables, God's food, into their system, it also gives their digestive system a break. And so it allows the digestive system to kind of rebuild itself. So that's what's meant by a cleanse or a detoxification. And now that you're familiar with the types of toxins that are around us constantly and the toxins we can choose to bring into our lives or not, the winner is you! And now that you are the winner of the detox party game, you are better equipped to remove the toxins from your life, whether that be your laundry detergent or your dish soap or that one friend who dominates the conversation every time you get together and never asks you any questions about your life and always goes on and on and on about her problems and never wants to hear anything from you and is always looking at the phone anytime you're talking. That's detoxification. If you learned something during this video, check out this video next. And if you want more natural health advice and you want to level up your life, then subscribe to God's Food. You are a blessing. God's Food.